Let's look at a really efficient way to do reporting today. So we talked about how you want to have single sources of data, right? So this is a single source of our data. Here, wherever it says manual, I'm probably entering data into here, whether it's row by row, or we talked about ways to get data into a spreadsheet. It could also be a CSV or Excel export from another piece of software. Whatever it is, all of these columns right here where it says manual is the single source of data for this data. So other places like these views can be views of the data, but this is the one place where this data exists in its original form. So one way to do weekly, monthly, whatever daily reporting you want to do is to have these single sources of data that you export from other places. So let's say this comes from, it could come from Shopify or your bank account or really anything. Anywhere that exports CSVs or Excel, you can export that data. You can then paste it either on top of this data if it's just going to replace it, or the new data you can paste here at the bottom. And then that data can let you just update these views automatically. So for example, you have this monthly view right here. You could paste in the new data for the new year, for the new month, whatever the period is, and this view can update automatically. So it's a nice, neat way to have reporting almost happen for you, where every time you have to do the reporting, whether it's weekly, monthly, daily, whatever, all you do is export the new data or the replacement data, paste it right on top of here, either starting at the beginning or add it at the bottom, and have whatever views you want just update automatically based on that. I do this all the time. Every Monday morning I do a bunch of reporting for us, and it's super quick just because it's all set up. I'm not redoing formulas. I'm doing nothing new. I'm just taking the old reports I already built, and I'm taking the original source of data, the single source of data, and I'm just either adding to it or replacing it. It's a really neat way to do that. So you have your CSV, you just paste it on top, or you command paste it and copy and paste it, or you can import it, and that's it. Really simple, really quick. You get your reports really fast. It's a really neat way to do that stuff.